Hi, I'm Ryan. Thank you for visiting our video. Do you need a professional and reliable mechanic for your car? Check out the following short video and find out why our experienced staff is one of the best in our area.
A transmission rebuild is where the entire transmission is taken apart and inspected. A transmission replacement means that you are replacing your entire transmission. Sometimes this option is called having your transmission remanufactured. Once you have determined that it is your car's transmission that needs to be fixed, you will need to decide if you want to have your transmission repaired, replaced, or rebuilt. When repairing a transmission, you are replacing the bare minimum amount of parts to bring your transmission back into working order. Transmission troubles can be both frustrating and costly. Your transmission is one of your car's most complex and essential engine components. The cost of transmission repairs can vary widely based on a number of factors such as extent of damage, manual versus automatic, or the make and model of your vehicle. If you're looking for a reputable shop to help you identify specifically what has failed on your vehicle and think you need a transmission repair immediately, schedule an appointment before it is too late.
So I hope you liked our video and you'll give us a call. Thank you very much.